Hello, hello, hello. Good morning, good night, good evening, good afternoon, good day, whenever time you listen to me right here now. Bless up, hope everybody is doing good. Everyone is alright. You don't know anything set. Bless up to everybody. Yeah, man. You don't know the program is called Jamaican Society. And we deal with everything we are going in our country, I say, So, welcome again to another episode, another commentary from me. Yeah, man, you don't know Jamaican society. So, this thing, when me see a thing go on where me I say, you know, only in Jamaica. hmm Some people say, boy, Jamaica is not a real place, and when me see things like these go on, me have to say, if I not say going near figure, so Jamaica is not a real place. That's something different, this. But anyway, this brother, me see him advertise and me see him put up a video and he go viral say boy he have a farm. Him a farm crab. Whole heap of crab me see him and have and he separate the the females from the males according to what him say. When me a watch that thing when me see him put up on a social media platform. Yeah, so it's like it thing go viral. A lot of people see it and it thing go viral. Say, boy, yeah man, he might do something. He might do some kind of farming which is unique, which is not seen so much before, It's like a new thing and it thing go viral. Was that a good thing for a bad thing for him? It look like it's a bad thing for him. Because when me a read, it's like he go in bed and then he wake up. And then when he wake up, he lose 95% and crab them. And when me say lose, me no mean they just dead, they mean say they rob him. Thief come in by night and thief him and crab. So now, he lose in farming, he lose in stock. I won't get them, I catch them. Yeah, me know them and they then go catch them crab. Yeah, me know some people down in our countryside always catch crab at night time too, so. But when they catch them, they cook them and eat them same time. But this brother now come up with an idea. Saying, do that as a hustling. He's a farmer, see away, so him say, make why me no farm crab too? You raise chicken and anything, so you must get a farm crab too, no, so. Yeah. But now, they rob him, so it's like this crab in a barrel thing now, this are literally what we mean by when we say crab in a barrel. It can't get no literal than this. This a hit. This a real crab in a barrel situation we are talking about, We face for nation and face black people in general. Then a man go hunting crab then if your sister came up with a good idea, can go and have a crab farm too. What is the purpose of going to the man place now and rob him and crab them? A hunting go hunt them and catch them, Then the same thing you can do to thief in craft. The same thing you can do to. But it easier for you to take you out of place. Cause you already gather them there for you, so you can just go take them. Boy, may I tell you, the situation not right in this place, you know? This crab in a barrel mentality, and it's like a never-ending story. It's a story and look like it all end for now. So, what him for do now? Does he continue? Does he go again and restock on crabs? Or this a go just deter him now and him or just say, throw up his hand in a ear and just give up on the whole idea? Yeah? What would you do in a situation like this now? You work so hard to catch a crab them at night time or whenever time you catch them. And he come up with a very brilliant idea. Why me not have a farm of crabs? And it thing go viral. Well, maybe he shouldn't go viral with it. Them say thief never love to see thief with long handbag, you know. Or with handbag, something like that. But it's very disgusting. It's a disgusting thing to me, very disgusting for this happen, you know. But what can I say? What me can say about this now is like, I saw you go. You know, this crab in a barrel mentality, it not go nowhere. It been with us for many years. And it's sad to see that this is the outcome of man farming. But me I got encourage your brother there still. Don't bother give up on your thing. Secure your place better. Find a way to deal with your thing and secure your place. Get some bad dog around your place or whatever you have to do. And secure your place. You know, and may that encourage the government. Render some assistance to the youth. Yeah. Because it's a very innovative thing him just decides he want to do some crab farming. And you know, the minister them fi encourage youth them fi farm. So this is what him a do. Him a farm crab. I'm pretty sure he farm other things if he's a farmer. So me da really ask for some help for the youth. You know, it's very disappointed. Disappointing how them do him and thing. And me sure it discourage him right now too. But me da tell him say nobody give up and nobody make that deter him from what him a do. If he want farm crab, get back into it. You know, them youth you know, them no want do no farming. So when you see a man now a do little farming, you know, God bless him. Cause me I tell you say farming feed the nation. And we need we farmer them to continue to farm. Yeah, but them a man you know, them a thief you know, them thief anything. Anything they can catch their hand pan them with thief it. And it's very unfortunate. For real. But anyway, that a my little thought you know. Me feel it for youth. Me feel it for him. And some crab loss them thief him and crab. Some low life. Because that nothing go on. That nothing go on. Crab in a barrel mentality. Crab in a barrel lifestyle. Me think we all get over it, but it no look so. It no look so at all. This country you know, black people in general, we need help man. This not right. This can't right. But anyway, me da really like to encourage you to don't give up. Go back again if you want farm again, farm up your crop, secure your place. And whoever can help you out you know, Because me I tell you, say, this have discourage you out. You know, this thing are discouraging. But me I tell him, you know, nobody get discouraged. Go on holy faith. Alright everybody, bless up on yourself. Take care. I'm out.